Hello students, welcome to today's English class, and today we will explore a very important topic and we will explore an important topic that is uh, adjective. Okay, so look, what is adjective? So in the previous session we have studied about noun and also about pronoun. So look, adjective is related to the noun and pronoun. So what is adjective? Let's see. What is adjective. Adjective are describing words. They describe a noun, a person, place or thing. Adjective gives information about size, shape, age, color, origin or also material. Adjective are known as describing words. Adjective are known as describing words. So what does adjective do? Adjective describe or modify the noun or pronoun. What does adjective do? Adjective modify a noun or pronoun. Adjective modify a noun or pronoun, and also gives information about shape, size, quality, color, and also about material, age, size, many more things. Okay, adjective are describing words. They describe a noun, a person, place or thing. What they describe? A person, any person, any place or anything. What does adjective give the information? Adjectives gives information about size, shape, age, color, origin or material. So simply it describe or modify a noun or pronoun. It simply modify and describe a noun or pronoun. So next, move toward next. Let's see the proper definition of the adjective. So what is adjective? An adjective. What is adjective? Simply, an adjective is a part of speech. It is a part of speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. What are they? Noun, pronoun, okay? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and also interjection. And adjective are included in parts of speech, okay? So which describe and identify or quantify. Okay, it describe or identify or quantify a noun or a pronoun. Adjective is related to the noun and pronoun. It simply describe about any kind of noun and any pronoun. Okay, how it is describe? How? So let's see an example. He was wearing a blue shirt. So he was wearing which color shirt? A blue color shirt. Here it gives information about the noun. Shirt is what? Shirt is noun. So it describe about the shirt. Simply, what color of shirt is this? What color of shirt is this? This is blue in color. He was wearing a blue shirt. So this is noun and it simply describe about the noun. So blue is included in adjective. There are 7 rooms in the house. How many rooms are there? There are 7 rooms. Adjective also tells about the number also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, many more, all are included in adjective. So how many rooms are there? There are 7 rooms. So rooms is what? Rooms are the noun now. Rooms are the noun. So that's why we have placed before the noun. Okay, so where we use adjective? Adjective is used before the noun. Adjective is used before the noun. So simply, an adjective is a parts of speech that qualify noun or pronoun, and also it quantify a noun or pronoun and gives the information about the noun or pronoun. Okay, let's see. Move toward next. Yes, adjective describe a noun and pronoun. An adjective describes a noun and pronoun. An adjective answers. What they answer? What kind of things are there, which one and how many. It answer about the, it shows about what kind of things, which one, how many. Okay, how many, it shows about what kind, which one, and how many person or things are there. Okay, about the noun also. So dog, dog is a noun, so we placed happy before the dog. So happy, happy is what? Happy is adjective. Happy is adjective. Tired, tired boy, boy is noun, and tired boy, tired is adjective. Girls, girls is noun, girls, girls are noun. Okay, or and we place before the noun, so it is included in what? It is included in adjective. Okay, happy dog, tired boy, delicious food, 7 girls, and many more examples. So adjectives are placed before a noun. Okay, adjectives are placed before a noun. So let's move. Let's see how many kinds of, let's see how many kinds of adjectives. So there are mainly, how many kinds of adjective? There are mainly 5 kinds of adjective. Okay, so what are they? Let's see about it. Adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. So first one is adjective of quality or descriptive adjective, and second one is adjective of quality or number. Second one is adjective of quality or number. Third one is demonstrative adjective. Fourth one is possessive adjective, and fifth one is interrogative adjective. So let's discuss one by one all the kinds of the adjectives. Okay, first one is descriptive adjective, and it is also known as adjective of quality. It is also known as adjective of quality. So let's see what is this. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind. Okay, so it simply describe about the quality of the noun. Okay, it simply describe about the quality of the noun, and also shows about the shape, size, and color. Shape, size, and color, and about the quality of the noun. What it shows? It shows about the shape, size, color, and quality of the noun. It is used to describe the nature of the noun. Okay, how they are, how the noun are described in the sentences. How the nouns are described in the sentences, it simply shows. Okay, they give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind. So simply how we will use what the things, what kind of things are there, what kind of things are there. Okay, so how we will identify that they are descriptive adjective, or they are either they are descriptive adjective or any other adjective. So how we will describe? Simply answer about what kind of noun are those. Okay, what kind of noun are those. So let's see an example. If you'll see the example, I will easily identify the example of adjective. Okay, so first one is honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc, etc. They are shows about shape, size, and color. Okay, any color, like this marker is black in color. Okay, this marker is black in color. New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. So what kind of city is New Delhi? New Delhi is a large city. What kind of city is New Delhi? New Delhi is a large city. Okay, Sheila is a beautiful woman. So what kind of woman Sheila is? What kind of woman Sheila is? Simply says a beautiful woman. And there are many more examples we'll see. Look, young, old, thin, soft, hard, fat, long, short. So it shows the things are what kind of, like young woman, old woman, thin boy, soft pillow, hard stone. Okay, fat man, long hair, short curl. Okay, it's describe about simply what kinds of things are there. Okay, what kinds of things are there, simply understood. So what is descriptive adjective? It describe a noun or pronoun, and it simply shows about the quality, shape, size and or color. Okay, next, move toward the next. The second kind is adjective of quantity. Okay, what is this? Adjective of quantity. So what is adjective of quantity? What is adjective of quantity? These adjectives help to show the amount of the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact number, rather they tells us about the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. So it simply represent the amount of the things, simply represent the amount of the things. These adjectives do not provide exact number. It does not provide exact number, rather they tells us about the amount of the noun. It tells us about the how many person, how much are there, okay? Rather they tells us about the amount of the noun in relative or whole term, So let's see an example and we'll discuss all, half, many, few, little, no, enough, great. All, half, many, few, little, no, enough. It shows about the quantity. So these are included in adjective of quantity. Okay, let's see more examples. They have finished most of the rice. They have finished most of the rice. Like what quantity of rice they have finished? What quantity of rice they have finished? They have finished most of the rice. Many people came to visit the fair. How many people came to visit the fair? Many people. Okay. Many people came to visit the fair. Let's move toward next. Third one is, the third kind of adjective is adjective of number. So what is adjectives of number? So these adjectives are used to show the number of nouns and their place in an order. So it shows about the number of the nouns. See how many are there, how many nouns are there, okay, how many persons are there, how many things are there. So it simply shows about the numbers of the things. It simply shows about the number of the things and their place in order, how they are placed, like first, second, third, fourth, how they are placed in order. Okay, so there are two types of adjective of numbers. So first one is definite numeral. First one is definite numeral adjective. So what is definite numeral adjective? Let's see. Those which clearly denote an exact number of noun in the order of the noun. Simply it's represent the exact number of the nouns. It's simply it represents an exact number of nouns, like few, how many pens are there, how many pans are there, how many chairs are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 25, all the counting numbers are included in definite numeral adjective. Then next one is one number, an ordinal number, also known as first, second, third, seventh, etc., all known as ordinal number. They are known as ordinal number. So let's see one more type included in adjective of number, definite numeral number and also indefinite numeral number. Those adjectives that do not give an exact numeral amount but just give a general idea of the amount. It does not give the exact numeral amount. It does not give the exact numeral amount. It just give an idea of the amount. So let's see an examples. What are they? Some, many, few, any, several, all, etc. There were many people present at the meeting. So how many people? There are many people present at the meetings. Okay, so they simply shows about the exact number, not an exact number. If it shows about the exact number, so it is included in definite numeral adjective, and it does not shows the exact number, so this is included in indefinite numeral adjective. Okay, understood? Let's move toward next. I hope you all have understood. The next one is demonstrative adjective. It simply pointify the noun. It point out the noun. Any kind of noun, it points out the noun. Examples are this, that, these, those are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. Let's see. line to line. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjective. Okay, these adjectives are simply point out the indicate a particular noun or pronoun, like this, that, these, those. So let's see an example. That bag belongs to Neil. So it shows about the bag, like that bag belongs to Neil. It describe about the bag. Bag is a noun, so it describe about the bag. So that is adjective. And which kind of adjective is this? This is demonstrative adjective. This is demonstrative adjective. Try using these paintbrush in art class. So paintbrush is a noun. So it describe about the paintbrush, like this paintbrush. It quantify the paintbrush. It quantify the paintbrush. So this is included in demonstrative adjective. So this is included in demonstrative adjective. I really like those shoes. Shoes are what? Shoes are nouns. Shoes are noun. So we point out the shoes, like those shoes, these shoes. If we quantify the nouns, so that are included in demonstrative adjectives, simply these, that, these, those are the examples of demonstrative adjectives. So those are included in adjective. Okay. Which kind of adjective? Demonstrative adjective. These flowers are lovely. So what kind of flower is, sorry. So flowers are noun. It quantify the flowers, like those flowers are beautiful, those flowers are lovely, these flowers are lovely. So if we quantify that these flowers and those flowers, so flowers is noun. It describe about the flowers. So these are included in demonstrative adjective. Understood, everyone? Okay, let's move towards the next kind of pronoun. Okay, no, let's see an example. Singular and plural. Okay, so how you use this, that, these, those in the sentences? How will you use these, that, this, those in the sentences? Look, this is far from the boy. This is a boy, and he looks this equipment or any things. So this is far from the boy. So we will use that. We will use what? We will use that. Okay, next, this is near from the boy, so we will use this. Okay, these are singulars, like this is a red box, like red box. If red box is a singular, so we will use that. Okay, next, this is a blue box. What kind of box is this? This is a blue box, and this blue box is near to the boy, so we use this. This is a blue boy. These are blue boxes. So how many boxes are there? These are blue boxes. Okay, and it is near from the boy. So, and it is also in plural form. So we will use these. We will use what? We will use. We will use these. What we will use? We will use these. Okay. So let's see. The boy. It is far from the boy. So we will use those. So for far in the plural form, we will use those. For near in the plural form, we will use this. For near in the singular form, we will use this, and for far in the singular form, we will use that. So these, that, these, those uses. These are the uses of this, that, these, those. Understood? Let's see what is possessive adjective. We have also studied about possessive pronoun, okay, in my previous video. So you can go and see possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? A possessive adjective expresses possession of a noun by someone or something. Possessive adjectives are same as possessive pronoun. You have studied about possessive pronoun, na? So it shows about the ownership and belongingness of the noun or pronoun. Okay, it shows ownership or belongingness of noun or pronoun. It describes about the noun and pronoun, and also shows ownership, like my car is very old. So whose car is very old? My car is very old. ठीक है? There are many more examples. So our dog is black, okay, their homework is in the table, and many more examples are there in the possessive adjective, like this marker is mine, okay, this marker is mine. So same as pronoun, same as pronoun, okay. all the possessive All the possessive adjectives are listed in the following table. So singular form of adjective. Singular form of which kind of adjective? Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. So in the singular form, what we will use? My car, my pen, my home, my anything. Okay, my, your, his, her, its. These are the form of singular. The next one is plural form. So what we will use with plural form? Plural form we will use our, your, their. Okay, their. THEIR. Both are all are same. So your, are, there. Okay. So first one, in the singular form we will use my, your, his, her, its, and in the plural form we will use our, your, their only. Okay. So how I will use, like, my pen is old. My book is old. My book is yellow in color. Okay. This sentence we will use. Your car is old. Your car is new. Okay. His pencil is new. His pencil is new. So we will use this type of sentence in possessive adjective. Okay. Let's move towards the next type of next kind of adjective. Okay. Next and last kind of adjective. So let's move towards the next and last kind of adjectives. That is what? That is interrogative adjective. Interrogative, we have studied what is it. It is used to ask a question. Question reference to the noun. So these adjectives are used to ask questions about noun or in relation to noun. Okay, it is used to ask about the question related to the noun and or in relation to the noun. They are. So what are the examples? There simply example: where, what, which, and whose. Okay, where, what, which, or whose. Simply, if it is used to ask question, so that is included in interrogative adjective. So let's see the examples. Where did he say he was going? So how you will recognize, how you will identify the interrogative adjective? How you will identify? Simply mark of interrogation. We can say question mark. Mark of interrogation. If mark of interrogation is placed at the end of the sentence, it is included in interrogative adjective. Simply what, where, whose are the examples of interrogative adjectives. Let's see. Where did he say he was going? Okay. What assignment did I miss out on? Which is your favorite author? Which is your favorite book? Which is your favorite novel? Okay. Whose book is this? So this type of examples are included in interrogative adjectives. Okay. So I hope you have understood about the concept. I hope you have understood about the concept of adjective, and keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much, everyone.